Hi, and welcome to Sustainability Matters at RSM. I am Marlous Janssen, guest host for today, and I'm joined by Jan-Willem Huising, Director of the ICT Department at RSM, and Norbert de Rooy, who is a System Administrator at the same department. In 2012, the ICT department introduced multifunctional print machines into the T and J building. First of all, could you explain the multifunctional features of these machines and why RSM decided to replace the former printing machines?
Previously we had a lot of different machines, printers and copiers. That's a high strain on our department because we need to service a lot of different machines. Mm-hmm. We decided to add a follow me function, which allows people to pick up their copy or print only when they're next to the machine. Mm-hmm. So all the wasted paper that would normally just lie at the printer, that doesn't get printed out. The new multifunctionals require far less energy to run.
And Jan-Willem, RSM has been printing and photocopying on recycled paper for almost 2 years now, and using the following printers for almost a year. What results can you report?
Yeah, the first results after 1 year is that we have a decline in pages about 12%. So that's, I think, a lot of that's huge. Yeah. So. And another thing that when Rico made some estimates about how much energy can be saved if you implement a full printer policy, then we can save energy for about 27 households. Yeah. So that's the potential there is in.
And it doesn't even take into account all the other printers over the campus.
No, it's only RSM. So if you take the whole campus, then it's much more.
Norbert, in addition to the new machines, RSM also recently signed up with Rico, the purveyor of the machines, in an agreement to offset the carbon emissions associated with office printing. Yep. We already use recycled paper, and we have reduced our overall printing output by 12%. What are the ecological benefits for us?
What we actually do is we buy carbon credits through Rico, which they buy from the Framework Convention on Climate Change. And what they do is they put the money that we pay for the credits, they put it into energy efficient projects in third world countries.
Jan-Willem, could you tell me something about the next step or the current plans in making the ICT department and the RSM offices related to IT more user-friendly and environmentally sound?
There is a lot going on in ICT world on campus at the moment. The first thing we do is to consolidate the different server rooms on campus. There are 6 or 5 or 6 now in just 2 energy low server rooms. We try to get for 300 days external cooling, so no energy is put into it, but just from outside.
Free air cooling.
Yeah, free air cooling. We want to consolidate the whole server park just to use far less hardware, so that saves a lot of energy.
The uninterruptible power supplies. We have the old version used between 80 and 95% efficiency. So 95% of the watts you put in are come out at the other end. The new machines have an efficiency of 96 to 99%. So that's a lot higher.
And the temperature that will be kept in the server rooms will be 24 degrees instead of 18 degrees. So that saves also a lot of energy. So.
That's at the beginning, because we still have some old machines and they can't handle higher temperature. Once we fade out those old machines, we'll be able to up the scale and raise the temperature even higher. So looking at somewhere between 30 and 34 degrees. We're also introducing technology called DPM, which enables us to on the fly switch on and switch off hardware when they're not being used. So if there's not a lot of students, half of the server room will automatically power down, and when they come back in, they'll be powered on again.
Great, so many great initiatives.
Yeah.
Thank you both for joining, and we look forward to the success of future initiatives and more documented sustainable outcomes.